Hello everyone, welcome to Cake Cottage Academy. This is a platform I created to show you how to make simple decorations for your beautiful cakes and also to reveal secrets and tips to you. Today I will be teaching you how to make glitter fondant or gum paste bowl. For this class or for this tutorial, I will be using my rolling pin, pizza cutter, brush, dust, icing dust. I'm using this this is icing sugar just to dust my table, CMC, shortening, my edible glue. I made it myself. I'll teach you guys how to make yours too. And basically that's all. I'm sure there are so many tutorials on how to make fondant or gum paste bowl, but this I'm going to show you how to tweak it a bit and take it to the next level. So this is my fondant. I've added CMC to stabilize it a bit and I've kneaded it. I've dusted my table as well. So I'm going to roll it out into a triangle shape, the closest I can get to a triangle shape. Okay. You have to consider the thickness of your paste depending on how thick or how thin or the position where you'll be placing your bowl, if it will need support or not. You have to consider the thickness of your fondant. I hope you guys can see my thickness. At this stage, this is when you add the glitters coming. For me, this is how I do it. I guess there might be other ways to do this, but this is how I do mine. At this stage, I bring in my glitters. This is what I'm using today. Then on the face that is going to be visible to the eye, I sprinkle on my glitters. Feel free to use whatever glitter you have. This actually takes your bowl to the next level. Then with the use of my rolling pin, I impress the glitters onto the fondant paste so that it doesn't fall off easily when I am working. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if you guys can. I hope you guys can see the glitters on the fondant paste. Okay, it's really very visible here. I don't know if it's really showing that well on the video. At this point, I now cut out I try to make my rectangle shape from the paste. You can use this method of adding glitters to your paste for so many other stuff which you want to glitter. Okay, I'm trying to make it as perfectly rectangle as possible, if there's any word like that. Okay, I want to bring in the blackboard so you guys can see properly, since it's a white paste on a white surface. So what I do at this point is fold it over. This is just to get the media, that's the middle of my paste. Okay, at this point at the middle, I'll cut it into two. Then it is time to make my bowl. Turn it over, since we want the glitter side to be the part everybody will see. So I'll now use whatever you are using. I don't know what you'll be using. I'll be using my tissue, which is this is actually my kitchen roll. You know, fold it over and we know where we're going to wet and paste. Put our edible glue on and form the bowl. Okay, at this point you lightly wet the point where they meet. Then this is what I do. This is the method I use. Okay, I hope you guys can see this very well. I fold it together like so and take both ends. together like so. Then I pinch it. Okay, I pinch it together to hold. In case you pinch it and it doesn't hold, just take a little bit of paste, put it into the crevices and pinch together, it would pinch. So this is one part of my bow ready. I'll do the same for the second ply, like so. Stick together with my edible glue. Hold it together, and let me bring it up so that you guys see again. At the middle, I fold it together, then I take it back again, and then I pinch. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. So my bow, the other part of my bow is formed. So now, bringing the bow, I'm putting it together. I would wet the points where they meet and try to pinch them together. Don't worry if this part doesn't look good. We're going to cover it up, and if it feels too long you can cut it out, but I think I'm okay with the way that is. With my remaining paste, like I did initially for the bow, I'm going to roll it out. Let me dust my board so that it doesn't stick. I'll do the same thing I did. Luckily, we still have glitters on my rolling pin, so I don't need to add glitters to this part. The glitters that stuck to your rolling pin will stick to the fondant as you roll. Okay, we'll make this thinner than we made parts for the ribbon. See how thin this is, and then cut out what we use to cover that part of the bow. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the glitters, but the glitters came off on it. This is picking my bow. See how, okay, depending on what part you want to use as your front, I think I would rather use this part as my back. So I'm turning it over, I'm turning my bow over, then placing it on the rib, on the ply that I have made. Then I would apply my edible gum to the point where I want this to cover. Always determine what part of your bow you would rather have in front before you stick. If not, you might stick and find out you've just done a mistake of wrapping your bow and exposing the part you really do not like. This is quite big, but I'm just going to leave it like that for the purpose of this class. It's actually too wide, but our bow is ready. Okay, making bow is really that simple. So there are so many videos out there, but in this case, the difference between this and so many others is the application of the glitters. I hope you guys can see the glitters, and by the time this dries off, you just pull out your tissue that you use in stabilizing, or your cotton wool, or whatever you use to stabilize it, and your bow is ready to use. You can use it wet if what you're using it for does not really matter. You can do it days ahead of the time you need it. I hope you guys have learned one or two things from this short video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.